Good day everyone, I'm here to discuss or present my PowerPoint presentations that was all about rocks and minerals. So before we dive in on what rocks and minerals I have found on our neighborhood, let's have a brief recall or background check on what is rocks and minerals. So, rocks are naturally occurring solid materials made up of one or more minerals. They form the Earth's crust and are classified into three main types, which is the igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. With that, let's first explain what is igneous rocks. So, igneous rocks was formed when a lava or a magma cools and solidifies. But did you know that we have two types of igneous rocks, which is the intrusive igneous and the extrusive igneous? So I know you are wondering what is their differences. Well, it's simple. Intrusive igneous rocks was formed when a magma cools and solidifies inside the earth, while on the other hand, extrusive igneous rocks was formed when a lava cools and solidifies on the earth's surface. So let's now move on the sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks was formed when the layers of sediments was compacted by the pressure and then cemented over time. Then for the metamorphic rock was formed when the rock undergoes the process of metamorphism, which is when the rock remains solid but its molecules was rearranged by the influence of high heat and high pressure. So now let's move on the minerals. So minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances with a definite chemical composition and crystal structure. Take note of this, they are the building blocks of rocks. So now let's witness what rock I have found on our neighborhood. So it falls under the category of igneous rocks, which is the basalt rock. So basalt rock, as you can see, it is dark colored, fine-grained, and also dense and hard. So it originated from the lava that was quickly cooled and solidified on the Earth's surface, which is the extrusive igneous. So its composition, it is rich in iron and magnesium. It also contains minerals like pyroxene, plagioclase, and olivine. So here are examples of the uses of basalt rock, which is on the monolithic dome houses in Dapitan. So monolithic dome houses in Dapitan was not created but was planned. So they use basalt rock as fiber to reinforce the monolithic dome houses in Dapitan to withstand super typhoon like Yolanda. So for the minerals that I have found on our neighborhood, it falls under the category of silicate mineral, which is the quartz. So quartz characteristics was it was hard and it is on the top 7 on the Mohs scale. It is also glassy luster, colorless to various colors, and it also have hexagonal crystal form. So it originates in the igneous and metamorphic rocks. So it was formed from the cooling of magma or the precipitation from hydrothermal fluids. And its chemical composition is silicon dioxide or SiO2. So here's a common example of uses of quartz, which is the tiles. So these tiles was crafted by the Badan Building Materials Corporation. So here's the actual photo documentation. So that would be all. Thank you for listening.